Hello, everyone. I want to talk to you about an important issue today. That is COVID-19. Now, I know you have been hearing a lot about it, and I also know there's been a lot of misinformation going around. I also know how the pandemic has had an impact on all of our lives, and not just through the virus. Schools were closed, businesses and livelihoods affected. Many of our children were left without education for too many months. And many of our children did not get even their first vaccines against so many of the diseases they are at risk of that have nothing to do with COVID-19, putting their lives in danger. Now, we cannot allow this to continue. As Nigerians, we have gone through too much to let this virus hold us back and endanger our futures that we're fighting so hard to make better. I want to tell you today that we need to do whatever we can to safeguard our future and the future of our country. Vaccines have been saving the lives of Nigerian children for many years, and we have to make sure that they continue to. Thanks to vaccines, I know that my children will not have to suffer from polio, measles, and smallpox. Thanks to vaccines, I know that I will not end up in the hospital with COVID-19, leaving my family on their own. That is because vaccines work. They save lives. As a boy, I was vaccinated against childhood diseases. My children have been vaccinated, and I've been immunized against COVID-19. I urge you to do the same when it's your turn. And together with UNICEF, I am calling for equitable access to vaccines in Africa. We must have a fighting chance to beat this pandemic, and vaccines are an important tool in that fight. Because the only way out of this pandemic for many of us is to ensure that vaccinations are available for all of us. We cannot allow one deadly virus to affect our children's future and health, or education, and even our lives. So let us do the right thing. Vaccinate our children against deadly diseases, and vaccinate ourselves against COVID-19 when the time comes, so that we can be there for our children, our parents, and our families. My name is Cobhams Asuquo. I'm a UNICEF ambassador, and I'm a proud supporter of vaccines.